Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to draw a watermelon. This video also features Anabia Agha who has added colors to my drawing. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Anabia Agha is 5 years old and is a marvelous artist. She has great coloring skills and loves to draw, paint and make creative things. Let's meet her.
Friends, I am Anabia Agha and I love drawing. Do you want to see me drawing? Let's go.
Can you see the careful strokes? This girl is so professional at filling colors.
I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
If you want your child to be featured at our channel, WhatsApp on the number at the screen, also available in the description box. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.